Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to show you how to add a policy and procedure, either a mandatory or a non-mandatory one, and we will explain the difference. This will allow your staff to see the policies and procedures within the staff app. All we do is we go to the HR hub and select policies and procedures. We then click add policy. We then put the policy name and the policy and procedure description, and then we browse to your PC and we attach the policy. So we can just call this test. We now have the option to make it mandatory or non-mandatory. Now the difference here is that for a non-mandatory one, the policy will automatically go into the policies and procedures section of the app. The staff won't be prompted to read that policy, it's optional. The mandatory one, however, what will happen is when the staff log on in the morning for the first time, they will receive a pop-up window in their app, prompting them to read the policy and procedure. Once they read the policy and procedure, they will have to click to confirm that they have read, understood, and agreed that policy. Once they've read the initial section within the staff app, the mandatory policy and procedure will be within the mandatory policy and procedure section. Once they've read it, it will then move to the normal policy and procedure section within the staff app. And you will then see the log as an example here, and it will show you the date and the time that the staff have read it. Equally, you will also see that in the log for the non-mandatory policies and procedures. This covers yourself as an organisation, and this ensures that anything that you need your staff to communicate, or anything you need to communicate to your staff and ensure that they've understood it and read it, you will have a log of that. So hopefully this will, allow you to communicate with your staff more effectively and to have a record of when your staff have agreed that they have understood that policy. Hopefully this makes things better for you moving forward. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.